In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Redfin account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can close your account with confidence. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account typically removes your saved homes, searches, and alerts, and it can't be undone. If there's anything you want to keep, consider saving it elsewhere first. You'll also want your login credentials handy, since Redfin may ask you to confirm your password during the process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Redfin. In the results, choose the official Redfin website. You'll recognize it by the brand name and the standard site address. Avoid ads or lookalike pages and make sure your connection is secure before you proceed. Once the homepage loads, go to the top right corner and click Join Sign In. If you already see your profile icon there, you're likely signed in and can skip directly to settings. Otherwise, sign in using your email and password. If you use a third-party login, such as a major provider, follow those prompts. If Redfin asks for a verification code, complete that step so you're fully authenticated. When you're signed in, look again to the top right of the page for your name or profile icon. Click it to open the menu, then select Account Settings. This takes you to the page where Redfin stores your personal preferences and account controls. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account if you manage more than one. On the Account Settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for the Close Account section. In that area, click the link that says Delete Your Account or Close Account. The wording may vary slightly, but it will be clearly associated with closing your account. After you click the link, follow the on-screen prompts. Redfin may ask why you're leaving and will usually require you to re-enter your password to authorize the change. Read each confirmation message carefully, since deleting your account is typically permanent. Once you confirm, give it a moment to process. That's it. You may receive a confirmation email indicating your account was closed. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. If you ever decide to use Redfin again, you'll need to create a new account. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each step to ensure everything is closed out exactly the way you want.